Finding winning products is still the biggest challenge in eBay dropshipping, not because good products don't exist, but because most sellers are still using outdated methods to find them. They are manually searching on eBay, like checking out competitors one by one, scrolling through hundreds of listings. They're just spending hours and hours trying to find few new products worth testing. And while they're doing all that, other sellers are using AI and automation just to find opportunities in a fraction of the time. The truth is, product research has changed. Okay? Today, some of the most successful eBay dropshippers aren't spending hours and hours hunting for products manually. They are actually using powerful tools that can scan competitors, analyze massive product databases, and uncover winning products automatically. So if you're tired of spending hours looking for products and you want to see how modern eBay dropshippers are working today, let's just jump right into it, all right? The thing is, I just want to take 2 minutes just to explain what dropshipping actually is for those who are just getting started. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without keeping inventory yourself. So when a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to the buyer. That means you don't even have to buy stock up front or manage like a warehouse. Your main job is finding products that people want to buy and getting those products in front of the customers. So here's the reality, like most beginners, they just go like this. They think that dropshipping is difficult because of listing like products or fulfilling orders and so on, But that's usually not the biggest challenge, okay? Like the hardest and the most time-consuming part is finding winning products consistently, all right? For years, dropshippers spend hours just manually searching through listings, like checking, competitors, analyzing products one by one. I know because I did that years ago, all right? And I was hoping to discover something worth selling. But that's not how the top sellers are working anymore, all right? Today, AI and automation they're changing the game. AI and automation, they are game changers, and they're here to stay. You can just use these powerful tools to scan thousands of products, identify opportunities faster. Just let AI do most of the heavy lifting for you, okay? And that's exactly why and what I'm going to show you in this video. So we're going to look at 3 powerful ZIK Analytics tools that can dramatically speed up your product research process and help you find potential winners in a fraction of the time for your eBay store, okay? So without wasting more time, let's just jump into it, right? All right. So now let's just start moving away from the old way of doing product research, okay? Like traditionally, you would find a competitor and then you would open their store, you would scroll, through all the hundreds of listings, then you would check products one by one and looking for winners, okay? It works still, but it's very, very slow, okay? Now, when you're trying to scale, spending hours manually analyzing products every week isn't the best use of your time, right? This is where the bulk scanner comes in. So instead of checking products individually, it allows you to scan the entire competitor stores and instantly pull their best performing products based on the criteria that you chose, all right? It's crazy. Okay, look, let me show you in action. First thing, we need a competitor, right? So I'm going to open ZIK Analytics and I'm going to click here on the competitor research. Okay, now we simply select a competitor. Okay, and I'm going with this one right here, Tanya Shopee. Since I already know that this seller has healthy profit margins, all I have to do is to click here on the scan all items. Boom, that's it. The seller is automatically added to my bulk scanner list. So now the next thing to do is what? Is to head over to the bulk scanner tool by clicking on the right side here, okay, view scan items. Right here, you will see all of your selected competitors listed, like right here, right? And then you simply select the sellers that you want, okay, to analyze and just add them to the scan request. Now, it's time to do something very important, to set your filters, okay? You can filter by minimum profit, minimum sales, date range, okay, supplier, product price, and even Prime only if you're sourcing from Amazon. So for this example, I'm going to set a minimum profit of $2 and a minimum sales of 2 sales in the last 7 days. And also Amazon Prime, right? And then I will also select a folder right here, or if you don't have one yet, can just simply just create one by clicking here on the new folder. Okay. And then just give it a name, like for example, AI product research or something like that, and then I just click here, create like that, and let the tool do the work. Okay. So a few seconds later, I'll have a folder filled with products that match my criteria from multiple competitors. And this is where the workflow starts to change. You see, like instead of spending hours collecting data manually, you are just spending a few minutes reviewing the products that already have been filtered for you. So let's just take a look at a couple of examples at the scanner that the scanner found and see if they are worth adding to our store. Okay. All right. So example number 1 right here. Look at that. It has sold 2 times in the last 7 days. We can sell it for $70.13. And then we can source it from Amazon for $43.93. You see that? That's around $14 profit per sale. Example number 2, let's go with this one right here. Look at this. Also sold 2 times in the last 7 days. And it's being sold for $136.38. And the best part is that the seller right here has out of stock, which means that we can take advantage of the situation, right? We can upload it to our stores and have less competition. Then it can also be sourced on Amazon for just $89.99, leaving us with a profit per sale of around $22. Okay, all right. So in this case, I went through the product examples manually, but you don't really have to. Like the point here is to save time. And for that, since I have already selected my filters before, I would just simply come here and right here and upload all. And then you'll be able to upload all these items to your lister in just a few clicks. Just make sure that you select the option to filter viral items and restricted keywords just to keep your account safe at all times. All right. Don't go anywhere because now we're going to take a step, like one step further. With Bulk Scanner, we used competitors to find winning products faster. Okay. But what if you didn't even need to look for competitors in the first place? And that's exactly what the Autopilot is designed to do. It is my favorite tool. No questions about it. Okay. So instead of manually searching eBay or scanning competitor stores, the Autopilot automatically finds products for you based on the criteria that you set, So let me just show you how it works. So here we are inside ZIK Analytics, and then you just head over to Advanced Tools and then click here Autopilot. Okay. Then you click here Start New Scan. All right, like that. So first, you'll give your scan a name, all right? And then you select your supplier, and then you choose the categories that you want to target. So if you run a general store, you can select multiple categories. But if you are focused on a specific niche, then you simply choose the categories that fit your business, okay? So for this example, I'm going to just leave it broad, okay? I'm going to keep it broad and run a general search. Now, here's the important part, the filters. This is where you tell Autopilot exactly what kind of products you're looking for. So basically, you can filter by product rating, number of competitors, profit margin, number of sales, date range, supplier. For example, I like keeping products at 4 stars and above. I like setting the minimum profit margin of 15% and limiting competitors to around 25 when bulk listing. Now, if you're just getting started, you can be even more selective and keep that number closer to 5 competitors. Okay. And then once everything looks good here, okay, you simply click Create Scan. Boom, that's it. Within seconds, Autopilot generates a list of products that match your exact requirements. Look, no manual searching, no competitor hunting, no endless scrolling. You know what I mean? I just click on the scan name right here, like this, okay? And instantly I have access to all the products that it found for me. And then from there, I can quickly review, key data like sales, competition level, supplier price, selling price, estimated profit, and so on. So instead of spending hours trying to discover products, I'm just spending a few minutes, evaluating opportunities that have already been filtered by the system. We don't have to, but let's just take a look at a few, maybe a couple of examples here in Autopilot to show you how efficient it is. and also to see if it's worth listing, okay? So let's go with this product right here. Look at that. So it has been sold 11 times in the last 7 days. It's being sold for $27.61. And then ZIK provides me with the source, which is selling for just $14.99, leaving us with a profit of around $8 per sale. That, my friend, is awesome. All right, I said a couple, right? Okay, I'll show you another product like this one, for example. Look at this. It has sold 10 times in the last 7 days, and it's being sold for $9.99. This is more of a low-ticket item, but it is great to get that traffic into your store. And then we can source this product on Amazon for just $4.99, leaving us with a profit per sale of around $3. Look, here's where things get really, really powerful. If you want to review products manually, now simply select the ones you like, all right, like this, and then you click Upload Selected. But if your goal is speed and scale, then you can just click Upload All and send everything directly to your lister in just a few clicks. Just make sure that you enable the options to filter viral items and restrict keywords so you keep your account safe again, right? Just like we did before. That's very important. And that's the beauty of the Autopilot, you know? Like, you're no longer spending your time searching for products. You are spending your time making decisions while the software handles the research, you know? Okay, so before we continue, if you're getting any value from this video so far, just make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We post new eBay dropshipping content every single week to help you find better products, save time, and grow your business. And if you want to use the same amazing tools that I'm using here in this video, you can start using ZIK Analytics today. Give it a try. Okay, so let's talk about the final tool from this video. If your goal is to scale fast and then just upload products, you know, in volume, this might be the most powerful one yet. It's called the Turbo Scanner, all right? Look, so far, we've looked at tools that help us find products from competitors and tools also that automate product discovery. And the Turbo Scanner actually takes things to one step further, okay? So instead of, how can I say this? Instead of starting with competitors or manually searching marketplaces and so on, it scans massive supplier databases from websites like Amazon and Walmart and helps you uncover products with strong selling potential on eBay. In fact, it has access to millions of products, allowing you to find opportunities at a scale that's just simply impossible to do it manually. It's crazy, isn't it? So what makes this tool unique is that it combines supplier data such as price, ratings, and sales rank with eBay sales data, giving you a much bigger picture of, you know, a product's overall demand. Enough talking. Let me show you how it works in real life, okay? So we just head back here to Advanced Tools, and then we open right here the Turbo Scanner, okay? Now, the setup is very straightforward. First, you select the supplier and the categories that you want to target. And then it's time to apply your filters. For this example, I will select Amazon as my supplier. Keep my categories broad as well, okay? And set a minimum of 6 sales in the last 30 days. This is important because it means that we're focusing on products that already rank among Amazon's better performing items. Think with me, all right? If a product is selling well on Amazon and showing demand on eBay, that's usually a strong signal worth paying attention to, right? You can also define your preferred price range, okay? For this example, let's use $15 to $250, okay? And ask the scanner to find 300 products. Then you just click here, start scan. Now, a quick tip before we continue is that, you know, almost all of the filters inside Turbo Scanner are based on Amazon performance, not eBay, okay? The main exception is the sales date range. A lot of people misunderstand this fact, okay? So it can completely change the way they interpret the results. So once the scan is finished, all the products are ready right here. You see that? And then I simply open the scan and instantly get a list of products matching my criteria. Isn't that just beautiful? Okay, I'm going to show a few examples too. All right, so let's just look at this one product right here. Look at that. All right, it has sold 35 times in the past 30 days, and it's selling for just $18.99. It really looks good. You know, it looks like a real potential winner. So from here, I can export them as a CSV file or just upload them directly to your lister. Just like before, just make sure to enable the Vero and restricted keywords filters just to keep your account safe. And that's really what, Turbo Scanner is all about. If you are a bulk uploading dropshipper, you're just adding many products a day, every single day, and you focus more on quantity than quality before uploading products. What you have to do is just have to decide the profit margin that you want to work with, whether it's like 10% or 20% or whatever fits your business. Because that way, your lister can automatically price your products for you, saving, lots of time and just eliminating the need to adjust the prices manually after listing, which is, it's a hassle, huh? If you're looking to scale and constantly test new products, having access to hundreds of opportunities at once can be a huge advantage, right? So instead of finding a few new products at a time, you're building a steady pipeline of products that you can continuously add to your store. That's like the biggest takeaway from this video. Like the goal isn't to work harder finding products, it's to work smarter, right? Tools like Bulk Scanner, Autopilot, and Turbo Scanner allow you just to find more opportunities in less time. So you can focus on what actually grows your business. Whether, you're just getting started or already scaling your store, like building an AI-powered workflow can give you a huge advantage over sellers that are still doing everything manually. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, just make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, right? And again, if you want to use all these AI tools to boost your business, you can check ZIK Analytics today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.